What is going on, my No Limit fam? Today we're talking about strong foods. This is one of my favorite, most unique products that I have used within the last 3 years. Can't wait to dive in to this product, teach you guys a little bit about it, some of the benefits, some of the key benefits I should say, how this product really differentiates from a lot of the products out there. If you're someone that struggles to get their daily calories or their weekly calories, this is a perfect thing for you. Just to be fully transparent with you guys, I'm someone that likes to do things on a budget because I am on a budget. My finances are not skyrocketed through the roof. I'm not a cash cow. I'm not a millionaire, unfortunately. When you go on BPN and you find the strong food, you're gonna find that it is $59.99 for 20 servings. It's kind of close in price to a pre-workout, and if you look at 20 servings, well, 20 servings, it doesn't even cover a full month. So how did I make 20 servings last 3 years? So since we're on year 3, I myself am surprised. I'm actually super surprised that Strong Foods has lasted me this long, which is honestly why I'm making this video, because as someone that has on and off the last few years struggled with getting the proper amount of calories in their body, this product right here has been my best friend. And I don't use it every week, definitely don't use it every day. Sometimes I use it 3 times a week, and then I'll go literally months without using it. You can pair it with milk, you can pair it with water. I usually pair it with milk just because it gives it a little bit more flavor. Sometimes you can even add a little bit of chocolate syrup to give it a little bit more taste as well. When I first was looking into this product, I was like, holy shit, this is really expensive. And I don't remember if it was originally listed as closer to $100 when it first came out, because it has been a few years. Like I said, I am someone that is on a budget. So with being on a budget and seeing that something costs $60, it rose some red flags. When I first got Strong Foods, I was basically using it as protein, like a protein shake after the workout. Once I used about a quarter, started to basically not use it at all. Started eating just more natural proteins, red meats, chicken, pork. Basically eliminated this, acted as if I didn't have this for quite some time. Don't know the exact amount, but it was a while. We're talking months. When I did go back, this would be when I was literally doing like a quick workout and I know I didn't have any regular food. I knew I didn't, wasn't going to like the gas station to get a muscle milk or something. So that would be exactly when I use this. Think about how many different times that happens. Not too often. We've already used a quarter. Some months have gone by, and now we're using it. Random things that, you're not really used to. So a little bit less than a quarter as well. Just about halfway point. So after that, I think literally like a year went by. A whole entire year went by. This didn't get expired. I didn't use it as a protein shake, but I did use it as a meal replacement. Perfect example would be the Brantley Gilbert concert that I just went to. It was at 8 o'clock, so you do have the whole day. I knew that I didn't have food, and I also knew that my workout was gonna be like 2 hours. After the workout, I took 2 scoops because 1 scoop I knew wasn't gonna do it because I was gonna be out for multiple hours without any type of food consumption really. So 2 scoops just about does it. And the reason I say 2 scoops is because every time you go to use this, if you do use 2 scoops, you're gonna use it faster. Really pay attention to how you're feeling after the workout, and that is going to help determine size scoop you're gonna use. Full disclaimer, half scoop is equivalent to like a small snack. So it does still give you some nutrition, but a full scoop definitely gives you that energy that you need. And then 2 scoops just fills you up and gets you ready to go. So why should you give a shit about product? Why should you look into this product for yourself? It's very simple and it's very straightforward. When you look at this jug, you're gonna be like, holy shit, this is a massive jug. So it probably looks like there's a lot of servings in it, so I'm probably gonna get my money's worth. You would be correct. Clearly, 3 years. 40 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbohydrates, and 15 grams of fat per serving. Great for meal replacements. Say you struggle with eating breakfast, and this product is perfect for that. Say you struggle figuring out what you're gonna have for dinner because you have such a busy schedule, whether it be because of work or children. This is a great supplement to have, and it's a great supplement to have for kids as well, because you're putting nothing but healthy into their system. You should give a shit about this because 100% worth your money. Alrighty peeps, so if you guys like this video, I hope you did. I hope you guys learned something as well. Feel free to like the video and share it so that way other people can learn about meal replacements, the importance of meal replacements, as well as the value you actually get from meal replacements, especially if looking online, the price can be intimidating. Strong foods.